Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we will learn how we can create the database reindexing and update statistics maintenance plan in Microsoft SQL Server. So here are some important notes before we are proceeding to create the maintenance plan. See, technically during the database reindexing maintenance plan, all the existing indexes are dropped and recreated from scratch. So this is the first thing. And during this process, SQL Server removes the fragmentation level. It reclaims the space and update the statistics. If you have update statistics chosen in your maintenance plan, then it will also update the statistics. Suppose if your business have lower or no traffic on weekends, so it's better, you can run your maintenance plan on weekly basis during the off business hours, but that totally depends upon application to application and business to business. Okay, so some business don't have the off business hours during weekends as well. They have some monthly plans, so accordingly you can decide. So usually Microsoft generally recommends you should rebuild your indexes if your fragmentation level is greater than 30%. Okay, and if your fragmentation level lies between the 5% to 30%, then it's recommendable that you can go for reorganizing the index instead of rebuilding the index. So now let's jump into the SSMS and see how we can create the DB reindexing and update statistics maintenance plan. This is SQL Server Management Studio. This is my instance name. So under the management tab, if we expand that, there is a maintenance plan tab. Okay, you can further expand and see if there is already a plan or not. So I don't have any plan as of now. So now what we need to do, we need to just right click over there. We can choose new maintenance plan or maintenance plan wizard. So in my last video I have selected this new maintenance plan. Now I will show you how we can create the database maintenance plan through maintenance plan wizard. So just click on maintenance plan wizard. See, this wizard is open. Here you can see, this wizard help you to create a maintenance plan that SQL Server agent can run on regular basis. So with the help of this, you can create all these administrative tasks, check database integrity, perform index maintenance, update statistics, and all these things. You can go through this. Click next. You can give the maintenance task name. Let's say I'm giving DB reindexing and update stats maintenance plan. Okay. Similarly, if you want to update the descriptions, then you can put here your information, relevant information. Run as. So this job, once this will be created, so this will run as SQL Server Agent Service account by default. Okay, and here you can select a separate schedule for each task or single schedule for entire plan. So I'm good with the single schedule because I will use two plans only. One is the DB reindexing and another one is the database update statistics. As of now, I'm not scheduling this. I will schedule later once this will be created. You can schedule right away if you want. Okay, I'm clicking on next. See, so these are the maintenance tasks: database integrity, shrink, database reorganizes index. So in this video, we will rebuild the index and update the statistics. Okay, so I have selected these two things. Click on next. Here you can select the order. So by default, I have selected rebuild index and update statistics. So first rebuild index operation will be performed, then update statistics will be done. Okay, you can move up, move down if you want, but ideally update statistics should be done after the rebuild index. So I'm again moving down. So this is the sequence which is good for now. So just click on next. See, here the database, we need to select the databases. If we expand that, we can select all databases and we can ignore any database is not online. Okay, if this is selected, then we cannot select the objects because it will automatically select the tables and views. If we select any specific database, let's say instead of all database, if I'm selecting only this database and I'm clicking on OK, then you can choose between tables, views, and you can choose both tables and views. So I'm good with the all databases as of now. Okay, click on next. That was for the DB reindexing. Now this is asking for the update statistics task. So if I have selected the DB index operation for all databases, then I need to select all databases here as well. Okay, so that all the statistics are updated. Here you can choose your specific settings. I'm good with the all existing statistics and full scan. Click on next. Once this plan will be executed, then the respective report in a text txt file will be located here. Okay, click on next. This is the summary wizard page. Here you can see what you all have selected. If we further expand that, create maintenance plan, if we expand this, then this description we have given, single schedule selected we have, okay, and this will be no SQL Server agent job is scheduled. We have skipped the schedule. We will schedule it later. Further, you can check these what will be done during the DB index task. Okay, now I'm clicking on finish. As soon as I will click on this, the maintenance task will be created. See, it's in progress, and that is completed. Close this window. If I click on refresh button and if I expand that, I can see that plan is created successfully. See, if your maintenance plan is created now, then the respective SQL Server agent job will also be created. Let's check whether it's created or not. See, this is created. Okay, this one. Here you can see. You can run from here if you want to run right away. Okay, or if you want to schedule, then you can schedule from here as well, or you can just double click here, maintenance plan, which you have just created. See, this is the sequence. First, a rebuild index will be done on all the databases. Objects will be tables and views. Okay, then update statistic will be performed. So we have skipped the scheduling at that point of time. So now we are good with the scheduling. This calendar mark you need to click, and I'm scheduling this at 12 a.m. on Sunday, or instead of Sunday, Saturday is fine. I mean, this totally depends upon the business requirement. So as of now, I'm selecting the Saturday. Okay, that is done. So we need to right click here, the yellow part, and save selected item. So as soon as I save that, so this take effect. If you go through this under the SQL Server agent job activity monitor, now you can see this is scheduled. See, 6th of December, that is Saturday, this will run. If you want this to be run on ad hoc basis, you can simply right click, start job, and this will the job will start. Let's execute that and see whether it will be succeed or fail. Right click, start job at step. Okay, I'm clicking here, and this is started. It's a very small database. Then it will, hopefully will be completed soon within a minute or so. So let's wait for to complete this. Okay, so this job and maintenance plan is successfully executed. As you can see, I mean, both these steps are succeeded. Click here, and if you want to have, look on the view history, job history, so you can view this. If you click on view history, you can view the history of your execution jobs. Okay, before that I have checked that how much time this will take, so it was taking a very minimal time. That's why I have rerun that, just to show you that how this can run and how you can validate this is completed successfully or not. So if there is a red mark or any error, then it will be mentioned here. So everything is green, that means it is successfully executed. Okay. So this is how we can create the DB reindexing and update statistics maintenance plan in SQL Server. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.